Paneer Bhurji. Paneer Bhurji is nothing but scrambled paneer cooked with onions, tomatoes and spices. It is the vegetarian version of the famous egg bhurji. Here I have taken 250 grams of paneer. Firstly, we will need to crumble the paneer. If you want to see the video on how to make paneer at home, I have given the recipe link in the description box below. Keep the crumbled paneer aside. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. Peel the onions and finely chop the onions. Chop 1 tomato into small pieces. I have taken 2 green chilies here. Chop the chilies. Keep this aside. Now to make paneer bhurji, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add chopped onions. Saute the onions just for a second or so. Add chopped chilies and chopped tomato. Saute on low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this mixture till it loses its raw smell. Add some water to prevent it from burning. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Add some water just in case if the mixture has turned dry. Now add crumbled paneer. Mix well so that the paneer is coated well with the onion tomato masala. Garnish with chopped coriander. You can serve this with bread, pav or chapatis. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.